How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, coming to you with another episode of Tiny Home Tuesday, where every Tuesday I showcase a particular park model tiny home coming in at 399 square feet that we have available here at Recreational Resort Cottages. And this Tuesday, I'm bringing to you the Cardinal. The Cardinal is one of our most popular models and one of the most featured models that I have filmed here at Recreational Resort Cottages. It is for a reason. It sells as soon as we get these homes in because of the versatile floor plan and the beautiful cottage exterior that you will get in this home. This home, starting to begin with, is 15 foot wide, 32 feet in length, including the 6-foot front porch. And as you'll see it today, it's on sale today for $80K. So follow me up here and you'll see that this home is great curb appeal with the rebar railing that you get as soon as you come up to the home. We have snowy mount exterior on the base of the home and your posts and top of rails. We have a crow's foot beam as well. We went ahead and did the coyote gray composite Trex decking. And we've got 2 LED can lights here on the exterior porch, as well as wired and braced for a ceiling fan. The exterior of this home is James Hardy board with a 30-year warranty. The black metal roof is a 30-year warranty as well. So is the Trex decking that you're gonna get on the porch. So 30 years of warranty on the exterior. Now let me take you inside so I can show you how we do it here at Recreational Resort Cottages. And as we come in, you'll see here, the Cardinal is by far, like I've said, one of the most popular floor plans, and it's due to being a 15 foot wide. 15 feet in width gives you plenty of space to accommodate furniture such as you see here. We went ahead and thrown in a love seat so that way you can see how that works in the room. From wall to corner post here is 96 inches in length. So that right there gives you an abundance of space if you want to go larger with a traditional couch. Now what we chose to do today in this particular Cardinal is something like we always do. We innovate here at Recreational Resort Cottages. So right here, as you see behind me, we've done shiplap before, painted, as well as white, but here we've done whitewashed. So what's so cool about that is if you're really looking for that farmhouse aesthetic and you want to do something a little different than the traditional shiplap, you can do whitewashed southern yellow pine, where you can continue to see the grooves and knots as they bring their own color through the whitewashed color there, but it still gives you that same overall airy feel for the home. So that is a great look that we've chose to showcase here in the Cardinal today, and I wanted to bring it to you first. So as you'll see here in the Cardinal floor plan, we've added 2 picture windows right here. Those are going to be 30 by 72 picture windows right here in the living room. We've added 1 clear story window up top to again bring in that natural light. We've got the beautiful black Duffy ceiling fan right there as well, bringing more of a modern farmhouse feel. And then right here, sometimes we choose to do an entertainment center that is built in. In this one, we did not. We chose to omit that so you can add beautiful decorations such as you see here. And it's already prepped 5 feet up from the floor for a TV jack and receptacle. And then above the front door here, that is a blinds and glass front door, you have a transom window there. So even more natural light, so that way you can sit in your home and see the interior of the porch on the outside of the home, but also sit there and feel a lot more open, a lot more airy, and again, it just looks really cool from the exterior. And what's so great about the Cardinal floor plan that I've showcased many times is the open concept. As we grow right from the living room into the kitchen, separated by this island. This is antique marula pine that we've used for the countertop right here, going throughout the home. And as you can see with the island, you have extended space on each side. You also have cabinetry on the front side and then open space on the rear, so that way you have additional seating if you would like. So this also offers great prep space, but also great seating space for you as well. And then right over here, we have the front window, bringing in, again, the light that we choose to bring in, but also we have a small pantry right here sitting on the countertop. We chose to go with nickel bar pulls going throughout the home. Those complement the Nantucket white cabinets, which also complement the antique marula pine countertop and the whitewashed southern yellow pine backsplash that we chose to add in the home. It goes from the countertop all the way up to the ceiling in the kitchen. And you'll see there boasting 2 more clear story windows, bringing in that natural light. And then down below, we have the stainless steel 1-basin farm sink right here. And you have your drainers, your cutting boards, everything you need with the window up above. And as you come on back, you know we're here at Recreational Resort Cottages. So if you're subscribed like you should be, then you know we bring you full-size appliances and 399 square foot of living. So right here, we have an electric smooth top stainless steel oven. You can choose to go to gas if you prefer. And we also have the stainless steel convection oven up above. We also have the full-size side-by-side fridge with ice in the door, additional storage space up above. And then keep in mind, all of our countertops are finished out, trimmed out, and completed on top. So that offers extra decor space if you'd like. And then right over here, this is one of the best features out of the few great options that customers tend to make this a big pro by going with this floor plan, is the pantry. So you can see right here behind the bifold door, we have a pantry in a 399 square foot tiny home. So you can see we've got the painted white shelving in here, and then you also have additional space down below. A lot of clients ask, Mr. Tiny, can I have a place for my brooms, my mops, things like that in a tiny home? We've got that covered for you here. So right in here, you can store those out of sight, out of mind, and close that back. And then behind pocket door number 1, we're going into the bathroom. So as you come into the bathroom here, you'll see we continued with the Nantucket white cabinets going throughout. We've added a additional linen space here for you. Linen cabinets right here, additional drawers down below. And then, of course, we've got the antique marula pine going around and even over your toilet space. Frosted glass window there up above your toilet. And then a step-in tile shower. This is Carrara in a vertical pattern with dark grout. So what that does is complement the grain in the Carrara tile, but it just looks great and just offers an overall aesthetic that you're going to feel very happy about when you come into your home every night. This is tiny home living, but it's at the most luxury options that you can choose in here. And keep in mind, if you don't want to go tile, you want to go fiberglass, that is an option, but we're showcasing features that you can add in your home. Now, if you look up above, there's an elevated ceiling right here. So again, I tell you all the time, I'm around 6'1", so you can see how much space you have from the shower up to the ceiling in the bathroom. And keep in mind, we have a loft upstairs, so this is showing you how much space you actually have to be comfortable in a lofted tiny home. And then pocket door number 2 is going to lead right into the bedroom. Then as you come into the bedroom, you'll see here another pro of going with a 15-foot wide tiny home is that you have the space, as you see here, that you can easily accommodate a queen-size bed or a king-size bed if you want to make it a bedroom. You can put that in here and you'll have enough space to do so. We have a mini split system here on the wall. There's one down here and then one in the main area. So that's AC and heat. And then right over here, another clear story window opening as well, so it brings in some natural light there for you, so you do not feel like you're in a closed-in space. We've offered some natural light there for you as well. And as we go into pocket door number 3, now we get to the fun part. This is what's so great about the Cardinal, is the walk-in closet in a tiny home. As you come in here, you can see we've got the white stackable front load washing machine and dryer in there for you, so it's hidden, out of sight, out of mind. But then as you come on back, you'll see right here that we have the walk-in closet. These are going to have your shelf and rods, and we've doubled it. Double shelf and rods, so you have hanging space up top, hanging space down low, and then you have additional shelving as well. So again, if you know me, then you already know what I'm about to do. Real wood shelf and rods in here. I'm telling you guys, this is the real deal Holyfield that we offer here at Recreational Resort Cottages. So this is the quality that you're looking for. Now follow me on out as I take you throughout the rest of the home. It doesn't stop here. We're just in the bedroom. So let me take you to the additional space that we're going to have. And as you go behind the door right here. We're gonna walk back out and you can see how it opens back up when you come into the main area. And then here you go to your loft. So you're going to have the stained hickory open riser stairs going up to your loft. You can see right here that we also have the rebar accent here going up on your handrail. So it's just little items like that that go a long way, showing the attention to detail that we're providing for you in these homes. And again, we stain the stairs. So you know, all these times you're gonna be walking up here, hey, that stain's gonna, you know, be durable for you and show less marks, less dirt, things like that. Now follow me up and I'll showcase how much space you have in the loft. And now we're in the loft of the Cardinal. And as you can see here, this gives you plenty of options and opportunity up here for additional sleeping space, additional storage, additional workspace, or additional lounging. You have all those options here in the Cardinal. And as you can see back here, we've added additional cabinetry here in the rear of the loft. So that it gives you additional storage space, but also we finished it out with the antique marula pine countertop. So you have additional space for decor or for additional storage. If you got books or anything like that that you can put up there. We've also raised this section here above the bathroom downstairs. So it offers additional height in your bathroom area, but also offers a designated bed space also. So it's a space right here that you can accommodate a mattress and you put that up there. There's also a TV jack and outlet there in the rear. We've got a clear story window right here behind me. But what's so great is this particular section is walled off. You can choose that as an option. You can choose to add the sheetrock wall all the way here for privacy for the bed space, or you can continue with this rebar railing going around. Those are your options. But keep in mind, guys, as you pan on down to this beautiful home, this is what you're getting in a 399 square foot tiny home with the Cardinal. This home is giving you plenty of space to operate and live full-time, part-time, anytime is the right time to get one of these tiny homes because of the way that we finish them out here at Recreational Resort Cottages, guys. So again, this home is 15 foot wide, 32 feet in length, including the 6-foot front porch, and it's on sale today for $80K. $80,000 is what it's going for right now. I can't tell you what it'll be next week, next year, 10 years from now, but today it's $80K, exactly as you see today. And you get everything you see in here, appliances included, minus furniture and decorations. So we just take out these little decor items here for you, and for $80K, you get what you see today. So guys, I want to thank you for tuning in to another Tiny Home Tuesday with me, Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons. Remember to please like the video so that way we continue to spread these videos out there to more and more people. Also, leave a comment. If you love that whitewashed pine that we chose to add in this Cardinal, a new feature that we showcased here, let us know. Leave a comment down below. Also, subscribe. If you subscribe, like you should be, then you know that every week I'm showcasing new videos from homes that are 399 square feet up to 2,500 square feet. I got you covered if you're in the housing market right now. And also, you please follow me on Instagram at the Mr. Tiny, at TheMrTiny, and you can connect with I anytime. I'm selling the homes right off of my Instagram. I'm making it very nice and convenient to contact me. You can send me a comment, leave me a DM. And speaking of that, we just passed 10K. I just passed 10K on Instagram, and as a thank you to the people that are currently following me, I posted and said, hey, if you want to, you can reach out to me, leave me a DM and give your name and also where you're from, and I will pick 10 people out of those in honor of the 10K to give a shout out. Normally I give one shout out every time Tiny Home Tuesday. I'm giving 10. So this is the time right here. So let me pull it up here for you because I'm a man of my word. So right here, the first of the Tiny Home Tuesday shout out goes to Harley Anderson in Nebraska. We also have Bruce Outlaw, Oceanside, California, Miriam Molina from Florida, Emily Jett from Spring Creek, Nevada, Jessica Redwine from San Antonio, Texas, Douglas Macon from Staten Island, New York, Becky Hofler from Durham, North Carolina, Nicole Zisk from Connecticut, Ari Noel from Utah, and Emily Belafonte from St. Lucia. And just because we had an abundance of people commenting, letting me know that they wanted a shout out. I threw one more in for good luck. So Sandy Milan out of Vancouver, Canada. This is a shout out to you, and thank all of you guys for reaching out, being a supporter of my Instagram. So I wanted to reach out personally and let you guys know that I appreciate each and every one of you. So that was for a 10K in honor for that. And keep in mind, guys, the next stop is 20K. 20K, we're coming next. We're going to keep growing this as well as the YouTube channel. And thank you guys so much for the support. And again, thank you for tuning in to another Tiny Home Tuesday with me, Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'll see you next Tiny Home Tuesday.